Hi guys, good morning. There's something about partial profit I want us to understand. Aside from putting your SL at putting your SL at the entry is breaking even. Then locking profit is when you move your SL ahead. I'm coming. Let me do some certain things and welcome to Chartorium actually. So this is what we'll be doing this morning. I just want to talk on partial profit. So let's say I'm on a trade. I want to take a trade on this 25 index. Then I'm buying 20 lot size of volume 20 volatility 25. So what am I going to do? I press a buy here. Then what do I do from here? Now I'm in this market already. And let's say okay, this is my stop loss. This is my stop loss there. Let's put the stop loss there. So now if you're talking about breaking even, maybe the trade has gone maybe two candles or maybe extended this my trend line, then you can say let me break even at this particular point. Remember I use 20 lot size. So now break even is when you make nothing and you lose nothing in the market at the end of the day. That is, you put it at the entry. The unlocking profit is maybe when the candle has gone maybe to this let's say the candle has moved somewhere around there. See this mark, the candle has moved somewhere around there. And what do? I just place my SL. I place it a little. You understand? That is, I've logged about 247 US dollar at around this time. But now, let's not talk about partial profit. This is how partial profit works. It's actually a different scenario from why do I delete this? It's actually a different scenario from what's it called? It's actually a different scenario from locking entry or whatever. So what am I going to do here? When you want to lock partial profit, you see this sign with with a mark sign. This particular place with a mark sign. Just click on this. Are you getting me? And what do? Here, you see this place. Then you can reduce it to like 18. Then you see close profit with 9.72. Let's say yes. So now, see my history. I've been given 9.92 US dollar. This is today's trade. This trade is today. You see, buying 18 out of out of 20. So now what happens? Remember, I was buying what's it called? I was buying 20 before. So you see now that it has returned to just two. Are you getting? I don't know if you understand what happened there. I'm still in this trade. I'm still on this trade, but I've taken some little things. Let me redo something for you guys. See, this is how it works. Just click here. Then let's say okay, I want to take a partial profit on this trade. 0.5. You see, lock with 1.12. Lock with 1.12. You see, this one has turned to 1.5 from 2. It was 0.5. See this one. I'm buying 18 worth of lot size here. And see how it happens here. So let me just take 0.5 from it. Remember, it's 18 I was buying before. 18. I was buying 18. You see, it has turned to 17.50. That is, I've taken the profit of 0.5 from this trade. Here, I took 18.5. So it reduced to 2. That is like 18.50 minus 20. Are you getting? So this is just how this thing works. You see, here we see how 17.50. So let me even take, maybe I want to take 10. You see, I've closed it in profit of, you see, I took 10 out of 17.50 and it is now 7.50. So this is just how crazy this thing works. So maybe when you see a trade and you enter with a big lot size, later maybe the trade has moved to a starting point and you feel like, yeah, you don't want to close the trade, but you don't trust it, just like the V5 first from yesterday, you can take partial profit. And you can actually take partial loss too. Maybe the trade is going against you, something like this. So let's see. Um, oh, this trade is going into profit again. So let's say I want to take a partial loss. You see, I want to take a partial loss so that I can reduce my loss size. Are you getting? You see, it's reducing it from 0.5 from 7.50. Try to rewatch and watch this video. Try this stuff on demo. Try it well on demo. You will understand it better. But this is how to take partial profit actually. I'm not sure I did it with you guys. It was just like we talked about it in class, and nothing really deep about it. So instead of closing a trade totally, you can just take partial profit if you don't want to lock entry. You don't want to, So by this time, you've taken some profit from the market. So this, like, maybe you're using a big loss size to enter the market at first because you know that the market is going to move, and later you now reduced it into a normal stuff, and you've taken some money out of it already. You are good. You get what I'm saying? So this is just exactly how to do it. So please guys, try to study this, and I'm still looking for a buy on this V25. Although it's a buy already to me, but this is not something I want to share out there, because the trend line strategy is giving us a buy here, and the new strategy I'm about to teach us in 2026 January is giving us a buy too. And remember, we're still on the 30 days challenge. We're still on the 30 days challenge, and it's going to be a success surely. This is just September. We have a lot of things to do, September, October. I'm not even sure. Maybe September, October. I don't know which one we are in. But I just know before before the end of next month, everyone will be at a better place with money, good capital, and all. So by then we'll be able to strike well. And maybe coming in January, I don't know. I don't know. There might be some changes in our policy actually, but it's really not going to be affecting our old members, negatively. It won't be really affecting you guys. But maybe for the new ones, then we're going to be this on certain changes. So please try to study this hard this morning. Try to study it hard this morning, because we've been needing it in this challenge. We're using big loss size and reducing it a little. So have a good day. Share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way you can help the company. Comment, like, whatever you want to do. You guys should have a good day.